Hello everyone, welcome to Canada Driving Experts, and I am at Toronto Metro East DriveTest Center, and I want to take you to route number 2 G2 test. I parked my car in reverse when the examiner is asking when it is safe proceed. Shift the gear to drive, signal to the right, check all around for any car, for any pedestrian. So check. Come to the right. From here we are slowly turning. It is curvy, be careful for pedestrian, any other cars. Very busy location. Check. We are going left. It's a good idea to signal. Check. We are going to the right, mirror signal, blind spot to the right. If here is busy, mostly they are taking you to route number 1. If here is not busy, then they are taking you to route number 2. Signal once you turn, then he is asking you, we are going left, mirror signal, blind spot to the left. Keep checking. My light is green, I can go at the middle. Wait for check pedestrian and turn to the left. Once you turn to the left, then he is asking you traffic light, we are going left. So right view, left mirror, signal, blind spot, and come from here from the broken line to the left. So my light is green, I can go at the middle. Align myself with the left turn of the oncoming traffic. So here, whenever you are aligning, just make sure to check pedestrian regularly. Sometimes even the light is red and pedestrian they are crossing. If the pedestrian crossing through the opposite side, if the light change to amber, you can go. Otherwise you can't. And turn to the left. Once you turn to the left, switch your lane to the right. Mirror signal, blind spot to the right, and come to the right. The speed is 50 here. Check. Speed is 50. Check. So here, once you cross here this bridge, so they can ask you, for example, right turn. Most of the time they're right turn, but they can take you to any of these streets. I'm going to the right view, right mirror signal, blind spot to the right, and my light is green. Still I need to check blind spot while turning my steering wheel. Once you turn your steering wheel, then come to the right. So here is solid line at the middle, pedestrian crossing, and he changes mind. Check. Whenever you are going on yellow line, you can turn on the signal, because the other vehicle can know another vehicle is coming. I am coming here close by the other vehicle and stop. Then again I can signal, be closer, but you must have space. Another vehicle come, I also get close here to the right because my line is blocked. Okay, signal and come back to the right. Now we don't need to signal. Here we need to come to the complete stop, check left, right, and go. Then he is asking you here roadside stop, uphill, downhill, all those things they are asking on this road. So I'm doing the roadside stop, mirror signal, blind spot to the right, and come close to the right and stop. Turn on forward flasher, shift the gear to park. When it is safe proceed, shift the gear, turn off, signal left, check, and go. I'm doing 3-point turn, mirror, signal, blind spot to the right, come closer to the right. The other vehicle is doing parallel parking, and signal to the left, turn the steering wheel fully, check rear view, left, and blind spot to the left, come here, close by. When you see curve from the under the mirror, shift the gear, signal, turn the steering wheel, check, and then once the mirror is at the middle, you don't need to go, shift the gears, signal, check, and go. If he's asking uphill, downhill parking, we can do that. I can do downhill parking, mirror, signal, blind spot to the right, come closer, turn the steering wheel to the right, turn off signal, shift the gear to park. When he says when it is safe, proceed, shift the gear, signal left, turn the straight in the steering wheel, check, and go. This is the area. To any of this street they can take you, so just keep in mind the speed is same in all these streets. So we need to come to the complete stop, check rear view mirror, and complete stop, check left, right, and go. So be on the right side, because sometimes some of the vehicle, they are not signaling, they are coming too close to you, so be on the right side. So this traffic light, we are going to the right, rear view mirror, left mirror, signal, blind spot to the left. My light is green. Anytime it might change to amber. If it changes to amber, I can't go. I need to come to the complete stop. From far, check pedestrian light. Pedestrian light is helping you a lot. Keep scanning the intersection. I can check pedestrian light 9, 8, so I know after how long I will get green light. But here is a pedestrian. I can see pedestrian. Once pedestrian cross, then I can go. Otherwise, I can't, because if my light is green, pedestrian also can cross, because pedestrian light is also white. So I can go at the middle and here, and I need to stop. I can't go because pedestrian is going, pedestrian completely cross, then I can go. Most of the time examiner telling you it is okay, go if they cross half of the way. So once you come to the first left lane, then mirror, signal, blind spot to the right, come slowly to the right, check your speed regularly. Check any entrances coming. So then they are asking you, we are going to the plaza, so we need to check the mirror, signal, blind spot to the right. From here I can go to the right, check blind spot again, and slowly go to the right. So from here they are asking go to the right, mirror, signal, blind spot to the right. You don't have to stop. If you see any vehicle is turning to the, so you need to stop, otherwise you don't have to. Stay on the right side here. Be cautious about pedestrian and other vehicles. So once you approach to this point, then they are asking you reverse parking. So be prepared for reverse parking. If you didn't perform parallel parking, then they are asking you reverse parking. So I'm doing reverse parking here. So mirror signal blind spot to the right. I'm doing other meter, then turning to the left first, then signal, check, and go and stop. Once you stop, shift the gear to park, and then that's it. Then they're gonna give you your feedback. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel.